Welcome. In this video I will show you how to rename inputs on your Philips PFS6939 TV. First of all, from the home screen of your TV, you're gonna have to navigate to the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and open Settings. Here in the Settings menu, navigate down to General Settings and open them. Then scroll down to Edit Input Sources option. Press OK, and as you can see here, we can select one of the HDMI inputs to rename and customize. So if you want to customize your HDMI input, select it. Then as you can see, we can change the icon of this input. So we can change it to basically anything, for example, game console, and then rename it by navigating to the rename option and clicking OK, and then using the on-screen keyboard to change the name of this input. So for example, I want to name it PS5, so let me use the capital letters, select P, then S, and then 5, and then enter to save. And then just close this window. Now whenever we press inputs, the HDMI 1 will have the gamepad icon and will be renamed to PS5. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.